lot of people right now misunderstood what private label is. Private label is not buying some cheap generic product off of Alibaba and putting a sticker on it. Private labeling should be identifying a unique product opportunity, a unique niche opportunity, and selling it however you can. That may be a platform like Amazon, or it might not even make sense on Amazon. It needs to be sold on Shopify or eBay or Etsy, a place like that. So I also think that a lot of people, because they don't understand what private label is, misunderstand how to use software. So a tool like SellerApp is kind of critical in determining the viability of a product. It's critical in determining, how well your competition's doing, determining if something is saturated or if there's a high enough search volume to make this a legitimate contender to put into your catalog. But you have to get the product ideas oftentimes from somewhere else, because a lot of times product ideas that pop up like in your Amazon feed are already saturated. So I think that using software tools like SellerApp is really, really beneficial as long as you're keeping an open mind in product ideas. When I first started going to China, I was finding products that I thought were cool, but I didn't think they sold well because I didn't think they would sell well because I was putting too much dependence on software. And those products ended up being things like the fidget spinners before they were popular. And if I had known then what I know now, I could have been on the first round of sellers selling fidget spinners on page one when those got really popular. But instead, I was misusing software. So I do think that software, and every day it plays a huge role in what we're doing in private label and selling. But we just need to make sure that nobody's falling into the trap of assuming that private label is just finding something that somebody else is already selling a ton of and just putting their own sticker on it and assuming it's going to sell, because it's a little more difficult than that.